If you have a jar of good quality Thai green curry paste, you can make this delicious, authentic curry. This is my roast duck Thai green curry. So for the duck legs, you'll need 4 duck legs, and I'm going to pre-cook them in the oven so we get that lovely skin and just give them a head start cooking. I want the meat to fall off the bone. So 4 legs, and we'll line them up on a baking tray. I've also preheated my oven to 190 degrees. Now, because duck is a little fatty, you don't need to add any oil whatsoever. A lot of the fat will render from the duck, but we do need to season it. So a good pinch of salt on each of the duck legs, and they're going to cook for about 45 minutes. Right, while we're waiting for that duck to cook, we can get on to the sauce. Very simple. I've got a saute pan here, and I'm just going to turn this up to a medium heat. I'll add a splash of vegetable oil, not too much, just a tablespoon, and a few tablespoons of the Thai green curry paste. Now, I love this one because it has no preservatives whatsoever in it. It's full of the good things like galangal, lemongrass, of course, lots of green chilies. So 2 tablespoons. And because the ingredients are raw, we do need to cook them off. So just give that a little stir, and it will spit a little bit. That's totally normal. Once it starts to split, I can add some coconut cream. Now I'm using a light coconut cream. We'll pour that in. And you'll see the coconut cream has a pale grey colour. That is normal because it doesn't have any preservatives in it. This is the natural colour of the coconut cream. I'll just stir this through, and once that combines nicely, I'll add a cup of water. Now, it looks quite thin at the moment, but this is going to bubble away for about 10 to 15 minutes. Then we can add the duck legs. The duck's out of the oven, so we can place it into this delicious green curry sauce. And we just want to make sure that there's a little gap between them so they're not overlapping. This duck is pretty much cooked, but I want it to take on the beautiful flavour of the curry paste. So we're just going to let this gently simmer away for a further 20 minutes. I'll also add some bamboo shoots, so a good handful of bamboo shoots, just in and around the duck legs. And I just want a pop of sweetness, and we get that from lychees. So I'm just using some frozen lychees. We're going to leave them whole and just pop them in and around the duck legs. We'll simmer that down, and in the meantime, I'll prepare some jasmine rice to go with it. The rice is cooked and the duck legs are ready. It smells fantastic. And you can see that green curry sauce has really reduced and thickened. Now, you can serve this the traditional way by shredding the duck into the sauce, but I just think the duck legs look so good whole. So this will serve 4 people. To finish off the sauce, some Thai basil. If you can get your hands on it, use it. If not, there's no reason you can't use classic basil. You just don't need too much of it, so just tear in a little of it. But if you get the classic, go all out. I just love the pungent smell of it, and I do like it to just lightly wilt away in that hot sauce. So I'm going to use 2 to 3 sprigs. Pick that in, don't chop this whatsoever, just tearing it so we've got maximum flavour. I'll just fold that through, and that's going to perfume the sauce. Okay, just to plate this up, some piping hot rice onto a plate. Just pop that on the side. And a duck leg, just drain it off from the sauce. And we'll just place it on the side. And it really is all about that fragrant sauce. So a couple of spoonfuls. Don't forget all the bamboo shoots there and the lychees for that pop of sweetness. And just drizzle that over the top. A little more with that Thai basil. Fantastic. Now, just to really show off that it's a green curry, even though it's quite obvious, I like to decorate it just with a long green chilli. I'm not chopping it into the sauce because it is already quite fiery. a little sprig of that extra Thai basil just on the side for a garnish. That is a classic at your Thai restaurant, but you can make it at home. It's going to taste even better. And if you didn't want to do it with duck legs, this is a fantastic recipe to also do with chicken drumsticks.